guys, it's Ariel here from Fix My Books, and today I'm going to show you how to find your RRSP deduction limit and your TFSA contribution room. So to do this, you just need to go to this login page, and I will link this down below. And then for your personal account, you just need to click My Account. So click this, and then whichever way you sign in, use that. I'm going to click this because this is the way that I sign in. So enter your user ID and your password, and then click sign in, and then click next. So once signed in, you should immediately see your RRSP deduction limit and your TFSA contribution room. If you don't see it, just click the savings and pension plans on the top left, and you'll see it immediately after that. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Ariel from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.